Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to remove a linked device from your WhatsApp mobile application. Okay, let's get into it. First thing first, you have to open your WhatsApp application on your phone, and after you have the WhatsApp opened, you can click on these three dots on the top right, and you have to go to the linked devices. Okay, and this is the active linked device on my WhatsApp, and I'm just going to remove it or unlink this device. We can click on this option and then we just need to click on lockout. Okay, and now we just need to wait for a moment. Right, and now the process has completed, guys, and the linked device has been removed from my WhatsApp. Alright guys, and that's how we can remove linked device from our WhatsApp. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video.